Hi students, good morning to everyone. I would like to be describe about the exercise number 6 cascading style sheet for designing the web page. There are different types of the styles, different colors, different font size that are to be applied in a single page. When you execute this program CSS cascading style sheet, you may be get the output that are displayed on the screen. In this, the different colors, the different style of fonts are to be exist in a single page. You can see in the first line about Superman, which background color is different and the screen background color is different. In the next line, which used two colors, one is black and orange. The next line which is represented as a double lines with some end of dotted lines and solid lines. So there are different styles are to be applied in a single web page. We come to the point how to create this cascading style sheet and what is the source code of this. We maybe see it on the screen. Here it is a HTML program which begin with the HTML tag, and we used a style sheet type is CSS, and we are defined the margin alignment and the width of the window, the size of the border and text alignment, background colors that are to be defined in this program. Here the border is 1 pixel solid gray and the background color is aquamarine. You can see this in the output. The background color is an aquamarine and the border which is 1 pixels around the text. The next one which is every end of the opening tag, it must be closed at the end of the program. Here we are define the text, that is a H1 about Superman, which is displayed on the screen. About Superman, which is in H1 text, it is a maximum size of the, that is an there are 6 different heading tags are there. H1 to H6. H1 is an larger than the among one. Okay, we are using here H1 about Superman, and the next one is an paragraph which begin with the tag is P and end with the tag with this slash P. It is a, we maybe write the contents as it our own, but here the some contents are written in this HTML. I have given some type of text to the paragraph tag and also to the other tag. This HTML is about to the Superman. So the Superman, that regarding this Superman, some text are to be written in this program. Here the next one is an next line which is 1, 2, 3, 4 lines are there. So similarly 4 and 5 lines here, 1 2 3, then this is an fourth line, and this one is an last fifth line. So about this 4 or fifth line, 5 lines are to be defined here. The similarly these 5 lines is appeared in the output. The next one, the link also be defined. We are given here a link a space href equal to the program name dot html, which is targeted as a target to blank. So there is no files are there. So this is a link which is appeared on the output. This is a link. I am right. When you click this link, this a blank page will be open. File not found. Right. And the next program, it contains it support as an two programs. So one is a main program and another one is an subprogram. The subprogram which name is an external, the CSS. So it is here we are defining the style of the font size and background color, etc. So you can see here H2, the color of the fonts is maroon and the size of the fonts is an 20 pixel. The second one, which is an color equal to orange. The third line which applied the font is 11 point with the margin left 15 pixels. And similarly yellow colors, aquamarine and black color, brown color, which are to be applied in the output in the program. Therefore in the output which will be appear on the style. Here in the program, style tag which is begin and it will be closed at the end of this program. What you do first, you have to be create a HTML program. There are the it contain two programs, the cascading style sheet which contain two programs, and here you can see this two programs. One is an inline.html. First you have to be open the notepad and you type the program, this program, and save with file name dot extension. Then the extension file name dot html, then it become as it change the icon, the change the file look like this. The second programs which name is an external dot html, and this also be changed and it may be look like this. This programs will be converted and change these programs. Then in the cascading style sheets, numbers of the styles, including the font styles, background styles, and around the text styles, we may be applied in a single sheet that are to be specified and predefined in the program. What type of style we want, that must be defined in the program. I will be send this program PDF copy to you through the Google Classroom. Already I finished 5 exercises. This is 6th exercises. Total you know that you have 8 exercises. Among these one is this cascading style sheet, and up to 6 exercises are finished. Remaining 2 exercises we will be see in the upcoming class. This is a very small programs. It may not be exceeding 2 pages. This including the external programs, that is and sub programs, including these 2 programs, it may not be exceed more than 2 pages. Here it is an very interesting also. However, we are defining the different colors, different font size, different lines, etc. So therefore, it may be very interest to you when you have to be create and execute this programs. Here some text are to be given here. This text or it may be write it your own. It is not mandatory to be write the same text in your programs. But hence you should be show the different styles, right? Different styles of the fonts, colors that must be appeared. Okay, cascading style sheet which is not only supporting the HTML heading tags, right? It also support different styles, different color size, different font pixels, and alignment, right alignment, left alignment, background colors, etc. Hence, this cascading style sheet is written using a HTML programming. It helps to create a different styles of a web page. It contains two programs, main program and a sub programs. You must save the main programs with extension .html, and similarly you have to be save the subprogram the name with the extensions. You can be use the same name that are given here, given in the program, because it may not confuse to you. So here external.css for the subprogram, and for the main program inline.html. The main program which call to the subprogram, and this subprogram is support, and it interlinked between to the main program. The predefined, the requirement is to be supported, and it will be executed during the main program's call to the subprogram. Finally, a cascading style sheet which applied different styles, and it have a link also. If we give the, if we defined, if we given the correct link, it will be the file, the program, the specific, the given program will be open and it will be execute. I would like to be conclude these sessions with this words. We will be meet in the next class with a new exercise. Thanks for watching this video.